So now we're going to perform Achmana before the ceremony. So the Vidhi of Achmana, our hand should be like this. So our index finger and thumb will join together and rest of the three finger will be like this. And pour the water on the palm. And please look at the water and chant the mantra. And drink from, it's called gandush, so from here. And without touching teeth and tongue. So it will only touch your lips, and please do not make any sound. So drink silently. So hand should be like that, and drink from here. And please look at the water and chant the mantra. Thank you. Yeah, they already know that. Yes, only 16 of them. 16 of them. Yes. everyone finish. So now please repeat this mantra. Please repeat the mantra with me. Om Apavitra Pavitrava Sarvavasthan Gato Viva Yasmare Pundarikaksha Sa Bhajya Abhyantaraha Suchihi Om Shri Vishnu Shri Vishnu Shri Vishnu Om Tad Vishnu Paramam Padam Sada Pashyanti Surayaha Viva Chakshuratakam Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Sadvaitam Savadhutam Pujana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Radha Sravana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitamsa He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dīnabandho Jagatpate O Esha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namaste Taptapancha Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Paramani Purivide Manchakopadarugasya Kripasindho Jayevcha Vijanam Bhavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta-vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So today we're doing several things at once. One, yajna, with several dimensions or purposes. First, we have our several donors who helped with this project, and we're honoring them and inviting them to participate in the yajna. Actually, even contributing itself is a yajna. In Bhagavad Gita, this is called Dravya Maya Yajna. To use our possessions for Krishna's service. Yatyartha Karmano Yatra Loko Yam Bhagavatam. When we use our possessions for sense gratification, we become entangled. But when we use, after all, it's Krishna's property, when we use Krishna's property to satisfy Krishna, then we get liberated from material entanglement. So we're very happy that there are generous donors who are taking part in this yajna, a program to satisfy the Supreme Personality of God. Actually, our whole life should be a program to satisfy the Supreme Personality of God. And another function is that there are several devotees who've been initiated recently, for the most part, I think, but they haven't sat in a formal yajna performance. Actually, everything is complete. They've received their names, and those who are second initiated have received their mantras, but they haven't sat for a formal ceremony. So today we're taking the opportunity for that function as well. And we're very happy that they're moving forward. Our program is to move forward. Srila Prabhupada wrote in the original purposes of ISKCON that one of the purposes of the society is to bring the members closer to one another and closer to the prime entity, Krishna. So that's our program, to come closer to the devotees, bring the devotees closer to one another and closer to Krishna. So this first initiation, second initiation, means coming closer to Krishna. In the beginning, we're associating with the devotees, we're chanting Hare Krishna, we're taking prasadam. Then someone wants to make further progress. Can I get first initiation? Can I get second initiation? Moving forward. So this is our theme, not moving backward, but always moving forward toward Krishna in the association of devotees. And the third function today is that we're giving second initiation to two members, Keshava Priya Das and Braj Kishori Dasi. They received first initiation from my dear godbrother, His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami, but they couldn't get second initiation because Maharaj left this world. So they've asked for second initiation from me. Generally, I don't give initiation very much. It's just the stars. It's not in my hand or something. But because they're initiated by Bhakti Charan, so I see my role as being an assistant to Bhakti Charan. The second initiation is also called Upanayana Samskar. Upanayana means coming closer to the spiritual master. So I see my role as helping them by helping them and helping to serve Bhakti Charan. Actually, all of us are helping. That's the mood of the Vaishnavas, to help everyone move forward. materialists, how to hold everyone back, how to, if you're moving forward, then you're ahead of me, how to hold you back, so that I can be up front. But the Vaishnavas, they have the opposite mentality. If someone does more service than me, that's good. If someone, even in the spiritual world, although there's a competitive mentality among the associates of Krishna, the coward boys, they'll have competition. We'll touch Krishna first. Even in the spiritual world, there's competition. We'll touch Krishna first. No, you can't touch Krishna first. I'll touch Krishna first. But if someone succeeds in touching Krishna first, then everyone else is happy. Yes, he's touched Krishna first. So the Vaishnavas want to give everyone the opportunity to move forward in Krishna consciousness. They want to bring people forward. So we distribute books, we go out and chant Hare Krishna, we hold meetings here, there, and everywhere. We open temples, we start farm communities, just so that people can come forward on the real journey of life back home, back to God. People are on the journey from one lifetime to another lifetime in material bewilderment, thinking I'm this body, life is meant for sense gratification, and this is my country, this is my family, this is my money, this is my this is my Janasya Mohoyam Hammamiti. So bewilderment. So we, by the grace of Krishna, we get the opportunity to follow a different course, the path of devotional service, the path back to God. So that's also a group endeavor. Although someone may formerly be the Guru, someone may be accepted as Shiksha Guru, but all the Vaishnavas are the well-wishers, are our well-wishers. The Vaishnavas want to see us progress in Krishna consciousness. So in one sense, it's, our progress is a group effort. Srila Prabhupada is pulling us through his books and his teachings and his arrangements for spreading Krishna consciousness. The Diksha Guru is pulling us, Shiksha Gurus are giving us a hand, other Vaishnavas are helping us, Krishna from within the heart is helping us, Shastra is helping us. So there's this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his Sankirtan movement are there. So it's like a heroic effort to uplift the conditioned souls. In the material world, everyone is a fallen soul, but through Harinam and by the mercy of Guru and Guruna, we can all make progress back home, back to Godhead. So I'm, by Krishna's arrangement, I serve as one of the assistants today for serving these two devotees and serving His Holiness Bhakti Charanji. So three functions. All of them on the progressive path. The path, the real path. Mahajana Yena Gata. When we follow the path of the Mahajanas, the path of devotional service, that's the real path. The path of mental speculation, the path of sense gratification. These are paths that they'll lead us nowhere. They ultimately they'll lead us nowhere. But the real path is the path of the Mahajanas, who are all leading us back to Krishna. So this is the ceremony today, covering several purposes at once, all for the pleasure of the Acharyas and the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And we're fortunate, three of my godbrothers, god-sisters are here. His Grace Sankarshan Prabhu, His Grace Bhagavad Ashraya Prabhu, and Her Grace Sarvamangala Devi. Any others? I think just us four. So I'm sure that my godbrothers and godsisters will all give their blessings, and all of the Vaishnavas can join in giving blessings to all of those who are taking part in today's ceremony. And we're all taking part, but especially giving blessings to the donors, to the initiated devotees. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Yeah, we're all very blessed actually to have Vedaswami with us today. He's a greatly stalwart disciple of Srila Prabhupada who has very courageously taken the part of what you would call lost causes within ISKCON, myself being one of them. And so as he's saying, helping pull us all along. I've known Jayad Vedaswami for over 40 years now, and he's always been my confidant and friend. Very happy that he's here today, taking the part of this courageous center, which I think is one of the most outstanding centers in the whole of Australia right now. So thank you very much for being with us, Maharaj. It's always a pleasure to be in your association, and if you get the chance today, please try and get a little bit of time with Jayad Vedaswami. Sankarshan Prabhu, I don't know. I think this is the first time we've been in the same place together. But he's also a very courageous preacher who travels widely and has taken disciples all over the world. Amongst people who normally wouldn't get a chance to be involved in this world because of their isolation. So he's also a very courageous and powerful disciple of Srila Prabhupada. And it's a pleasure to be here with you both today. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Prabhu was also my former temple president. It's only by his grace and protection that I survived London.
Well, I hear you're in New York now. Maybe you can help me survive New York.
No, you'll help New York survive.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna everyone. So first we'll do Ghata Sthapan. So, and then after that we'll do Ghat Puja and Aarti and Agni Ahavan. And then we'll offer our oblation. So regarding oblation, please use these 3 fingers like this and gently offer those grain to the kunda. So please use thumb and ring finger and middle finger, these 3 together. And those who are sitting a bit far away from the kunda, please use the empty plate, offer there, and later on we can offer it to the kunda. If it is not practical to offer here, it will be more practical later on. You can just put it here. Otherwise, it might. Om Shri Shri Radha Krishna Bhyam. Om Klim Vridhanam Krishna Sasi Swaha Govinda Shikhavasa Gurujan Kavajam Balabhyam Netrabhyam Hasi Swaha Sarapar. Om Shri Shri Radha Krishna Bhyam Yam Rita Gurvantu Yavarame Gurvantu Idamasunam Om Shri Shri Radha Krishna Bhyam Nama Nama Swagatam Suswagatam Idapadamitam Arhamidam Achanam Samadvarvidam Punarachanimidam Snanimidam Vastram Vimani Avaranani Yesaganda Yatani Puspani Sothupa Yeso Deepa Idam Nevedamidam Namaskaramidam Sarvam Radha Krishna Bhyam Nama Namaha. Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinamandhu Jagatpate Gopisa Gopikanta Radha Nanda Namastate Taptakanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabham Sute Devi Pranamam Hari Priya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Shri Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare. हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विना अवधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम पुनन्तु मां देवजना पुनन्तु मनसाधिय पुनन्तु विश्वभूतानि जात वेदाहि पुनहि माम्। ओम अस्य कर्मणः निष्वतनः शकुने पुण्यमावदः। ओम अस्य कर्मणः स्वस्ति भवन्तु ध्रुवन्तु आयुष्मते स्वस्ति। ओम स्वस्ति ओम स्वस्ति ओम स्वस्ति। स्वस्ति न इंद्र वृद्धश्रवा स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदः स्वस्ति नस्तारिक्षरिष्टनमे स्वस्ति न बृहस्पति ददातु। ओम अस्य कर्मणः वृद्धिं भवन्तु भवन्तु। ओम हृद्यताम् ओम हृद्यताम् ओम हृद्यताम्। ओम स्वस्ति न गोविंद स्वस्ति न अच्युतानंत स्वस्ति न वासुदेव विष्णु ददातु। स्वस्ति नः पद्मनाभ स्वस्ति नः नारायण नरवै स्वस्ति न पद्मनाभ पुरुषोत्तम ददातु। स्वस्ति न विश्वेक्षण विश्वेश्वरः स्वस्ति न हृषिकेश हरि ददातु। स्वस्ति न वैनतरः हरि स्वस्ति न अंजना सतः हनुर्भागवत ददातु। स्वस्ति स्वस्ति सुमंगलैकेश महान श्री कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद गण सर्वेश्वरेश्वरः ददातु। ओम करतु स्वस्ति मे कृष्ण सर्वलोकेश्वरेश्वरः कर्ष्णादांश कुर्वन्ति स्वस्ति मे लोकभावनः। कृष्ण ममैव सर्वत्र स्वस्ति कुर्यात् श्रेयसमा तथैव च सदा कर्ष्णि सर्वविघ्न विनाशनः। ओम जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। प्रजापति विष्णु ऋषि त्रिशुचंद श्री विष्णु देवता अग्नि संस्कार विनियोगः। ओम कप्रदव्यम अग्नि प्रोहिणमि जमराज्य गच्छतु ऋक्रवः। ओम प्रजापति विष्णु ऋषि बृहति छंद श्री विष्णु देवता अग्नि स्थापने विनियोगः। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः। ओम वैष्णव अग्नि ओम वैष्णव नामना अग्नि या ओम वैष्णव नामना अग्नि या गच्छ या तिष्ठ या सन्निधि या सन्निरुद्धस्य या सम्मुखो भव। ओम क्लीं हृदयाय नमः कृष्णस्य शिरसि स्वाहा गोविन्दाय सुखावसित गोविजन कवचम बलभ्यां नेत्रभ्यां पश्यत स्वास्त्राय फट। ओम वैष्णवाग्ने यः अमृत कुर्वन्तु यः परमे कुर्वन्तु इदमासनोम श्री वैष्णवाग्ने नमः नमः। स्वागतं सुस्वागतम् एतद्पदमिदमर्घमिदमाचमनिम सुमधुवर्गमिदं पुनराचमनिम् इदं स्नानिमिदं वस्त्रमिमानि वरणानि यशगन्धैतानि पुष्पाणि यश धूप यश दीप इदं नैवेद्यमिदं नमस्कारम् इदं सर्वम् ओम श्री वैष्णवाग्ने नमः नमः। Hare Krishna everyone. So now we'll start oblation. So the mantra I'll chant. Please repeat after me. So after chanting every mantra, we'll offer the oblation to the fire. And please use the few grain with these 3 fingers. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Prajapati Vishnu Rishi Gayatri Chandaha Shri Vishnu Devataha Vyasta Samasta Maha Vyahriti Home Vinyagaha Om Bhur Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namama Om Prajapati Vishnu Rishi Ushni Chandaha Shri Achyuta Devataha Vyasta Samasta Maha Vyahriti Home Vinyagaha Om Bhuva Swaha Idam Achyuta Idam Namama Om Prajapati Vishnu Rishi Anushtup Chandaha Shri Narayana Devataha Vyasta Samasta Mahavyarhiti Home Vinyagaha Om Swaha Idam Narayana Idam Namama Om Prajapati Vishnu Rishi Brihati Chandaha Shri Ananta Devataha Vyasta Samasta Mahavyarhiti Home Vinyagaha Om Bhur Bhuvaha Swaha Idam Ananta Idam Namama Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kada Mahyam Dadati Swa Padantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavanscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathannitam Tvam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padam Sahaganau Lalita Shri Vishakha Nitamscha Swaha Idam Shri Shri Guru Varanga Radha Krishnabhyam Idam Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिचारु स्वामी इति नामिने स्निग्धचेत शुभ्रनेत्रं वाग्मिनं च रसाप्लुत प्रभुपाद गतप्राणा नौमि भक्तिचारुपदम् स्वाहा इदं गुरुभ्य इदं नमः नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्री गुरुदास जयाद्वैत स्वामी इति नामिने स्वाहा इदं गुरुभ्य इदं नमः नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते इंद्रदुम्न स्वामी इति नामिने स्वाहा इदं द्रव्य इदं नमः नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते कदम्बकानन स्वामी इति नामिने इदं गुरुभ्य इदं नमः नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी इति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी अष्टप्रदेश तारिणे प्रतिष्ठिताचार्यै नमः नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिसिद्धान्त सरस्वती इति नामिने श्रीवार्षभानुरी देवी दयिताय कृपाब्धये कृष्ण संबंध विज्ञान प्रभवे नमः माधुर्योज्ज्वला प्रेमाढ्या श्रीरूपानुगा भक्तिदा श्रीगौरा करुणाशक्ति विग्रहाय नमस्ते नमस्ते गौरवाणी श्रीमूर्तये दिनकारिणे रूपानुगा विरुद्ध अपसिद्धांत भांत हारिणे स्वाहा इदं वरं द्रव्येदं नमः नमो गौरकिशोराय साक्षात् वैराग्यमूर्तये विप्रलम्भ रसं बुधे पादं भुजाय ते नमः परत्पर गुरुभ्यो इदं नमः नमो भक्ति विनोदाय सच्चिदानंद नामिने गौरशक्ति स्वरूपाय रूपानुग वरायते स्वाहा स्वाहा इदं महागुरुभ्यो इदं नमः श्री गौर आविर्भाव भूमिस्थं निर्दिष्टा सज्जन प्रियः वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री जगन्नाथाय ते नमः इदं परमेष्टि गुरुभ्यो इदं नमः वंशाकल्प तरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां नमो नमः इदं सर्ववैष्णवेभ्यो इदं नमः नमो महागदन्याय कृष्णप्रेम हृदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नामिने गौरदिशे नमः इदं गौराय इदं नमः पंचतत्व आत्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूप स्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकं स्वाहा स्वाहा इदं पंचतत्व इदं नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्ते स्वाहा इदं श्री श्री राधा कृष्णाभ्यं इदं नमः तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानु सुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये इदं श्री श्री राधा कृष्णाभ्यं इदं नमः जयतं सुरतौ पंग मम मंदिर मतिर्गतिः मत्सर्वस्य पदं भोजो श्री राधा मदन मोहन इदं संबंधादिदेव राधा मदन मोहना इदं नमः दिव्या वृंदारण्य कल्प द्रुमादः राधा श्रीमद रत्न गार सिंहासनस्थौ श्री श्री राधा श्रील गोविंद देव्य सेव्यमान पृष्ठालेभि सेव्यमानौ स्मरामि स्वाहा इदम् अभिदयादिदेव गोविन्दाय इदं नमः श्रीमान रास रसारंभे वंशीवट तटस्थित कर्षणवेणुर सनिर्गोपीर गोपीनाथ श्रियस्तु न इदं प्रयोजनादिदेव श्री गोपीनाथाय इदं नमः Hare Krishna everyone. So now we'll offer Purnahuti. Please stand up and please take the banana on your both hands like this. After chanting the mantra, we'll offer our final oblation.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, everyone. So after we finish the circumambulation, can we all make our way to the temple hall? We'll have the Siksha ceremony there. The certificates would be handed out to the devotees who are committing to chant a certain number of rounds. The certificates will be given by His Grace Bhagavad Ashra Prabhu and Her Grace Sarva Mangala Mataji. And if anyone wants to speak with Maharaj, wants a personal time, please come and see me. Hare Krishna. Please make your way to the temple. You will say something. After the parikrama, Sucharu Prabhu wants to say a few words. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. As we have a lot of people here, please just take one circumambulation and then you can head to the main hall. A lot of Matajis are still waiting to take the parikrama as well. So just one round and then you can make your way through the temple hall. Hare Krishna.
प्रसादतः यत्किञ्चित् वैगुण्यं जातं तद्दोषः प्रशमनाय श्रीकृष्ण स्मरणं करोमि। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे।